So you've got mostly short-term buy calls, but again, if you look at the stocks, I think most of them are on the defensive side or stocks which are extremely oversold and can possibly bounce back. So I'll begin with the stock buy call on Divi's Lab. Now that's a stock which is corrected from levels of 1200 to about levels of sub 1000, now showing signs of some kind of a sustainable bounce back after going through a big correction. Can be bought with a stop at 1009 for a target of 1060. HCL Tech, which is one of the key components of Phoenix IT, looks like a sell. Can be sold with a stop at 764 for a price target of 714. Hinge Unilever. Now that's a stock which has weathered the entire decline in the Nifty very nicely. It's kind of consolidated in this range of about 460 to about 475. Gave a breakout above that range yesterday. So now can be bought with a stop at 472.5 for a target of 495. Arcom, which managed to get past and close above the 200 average yesterday, can be bought with a stop at 63.5 for a target of 70.5. And Tata Global, again a stock which is corrected from levels of 160 to about 120, gone through a big base building, managed to get past the short-term range, so can be bought with a stop at 129.5 for a target of 140.
Well, Nifty for the day needs to stay above 5549, resistance at 5561 and 5581, support at 5529 and 5517. Bank Nifty needs to stay above 11,049. CNX IT needs to stay above 7,000. BTST from yesterday, Wipro was a sell with a stop of 440, target of 418. Adani Power was a buy with a stop of 44, target of 52. Tata Global is a buy with a stop of 129, target of 140. Fresh calls, Hexaware is a buy with a stop of 88, target of 102. Cipla is a buy with a stop of 390, target of 407. Titan is a buy with a stop of 248, target of 262. HDFC is a sell with a stop of 772, target of 730. Kotak is a sell with a stop of 640, target of 605. Infosys is a sell with a stop of 2850, target of 2790.
I would start with the stock that you referred, Opto Circuit, stop loss of buy with a stop loss of 59.80, target of 66. A clear price and volumes breakout in the hourly charts. I expect this target to come by end of the day. The second one is a buy in Jindal Steel, stop loss of 336, target of 350. Positive crossover of momentum indicators in the hourly charts. This stock should also give you movement, the price move by end of the day or latest by tomorrow. And the third one is a Shriram Transport Finance. I would sell it with a stop loss of 680, target of 648. A breakdown of multiple supports in the daily charts. Now this move should come in over the next 2 to 3 trading sessions.
So my first trade idea for short term is Tata Motors. We have seen that the stock has been beaten down from the higher levels, and currently if you see the early and daily charts, the stock is indicating that certain kind of reversal is expected for very short term. So one can buy Tata Motors at current market price with stop loss of 254. Expect a target of 273 to 275 in next 1 or 2 trading sessions. My second trade suggestion for short term is Idea. We have seen that Idea has been making lower highs and lower lows formations on daily charts. Some development is there in terms of news, but one should use this news to go short on higher levels and expect a target of 100 in next 3 to 4 trading sessions. My third recommendation is Bank of India. We have seen that still there is some pain left in some of the PSU banking counters, and we may certainly see certain kind of lower levels in this because stock has tried to breach the trend line on daily charts, but it couldn't, and it is expected that some kind of lower levels can be seen in this very soon. So one should trade on bounce with short positions and expect levels of around 285 in next 3 to 4 trading sessions.
I've got buying ideas. My view on the market is actually positive. I'm expecting a recovery from current levels, and I think that the large caps will contribute. So I have 3 large caps in the list. So first is ICICI Bank, wherein we feel that there is a good strong reversal pattern which is seen on the daily chart. So we recommend buying ICICI Bank at the current market price of around 1015, 1010 levels. Place a stop loss at 995. I expect the stock to move to around 1050 as the first primary target. Post that, I think that stock can move even to 1080. 1090 levels. So it's a longer term time frame around 6 to 8 trading sessions, but I would be bullish on this one. The second one is Hindustan Unilever. The chart of Hindustan Unilever clearly shows a breakout in yesterday's trading session. So we are recommending a buy in this one. Buy on declines towards 475, place a stop loss at 467 and trade bullish for a target of 505 to 508 over the next say 8 to 10 days. So that would be the second call. And the third one is ACC, in which we are seeing that stock has shown you strong positive divergence on the daily chart. You're also seeing that there is a trend line breakout in today's trading session. A downward sloping trend line has actually been crossed. So I think that one can buy this particular counter. Place a stop loss at 1130 and you can buy around 1150 and trade bullish for a target of 1200 over the next 3 to 4 days.
Nifty has given a bounce today. However, looking at various technical parameters, my sense is that the bounce would be short-lived and should be used as a selling opportunity. So I have all the three selling ideas for today. And the first one is Canara Bank. Canara Bank has done a short-term bounce from Delhi lower Bollinger Band till the middle Bollinger Band, and at that level it has formed an engulfing bear, which is a bearish candlestick pattern. So one can sell Canara Bank futures with stop loss of 396 for target of 372. And the second one is ONGC. In case of ONGC, the fall has not been very sharp. However, it has been a systematic fall. That is, ONGC is falling in a channelized manner, and currently it is trading near upper end of the channel. So one can sell ONGC futures with stop loss of 319 for target of 300. And the third one is SDFC Bank. On the hourly chart, SDFC Bank has done a 5-wave decline, and that has been retraced till 78.6% retracement mark. So here on, next set of 5-wave decline is expected on the hourly chart. So one can sell SDFC Bank futures with stop loss of 634 and for target of 601. And time frame will be 3 to 4 sessions.